Manchester City remain one of the central clubs in the 2026 summer transfer window, with confirmed departures, emerging arrivals, and continued recruitment plans shaping the squad under head coach Enzo Maresca, as clubs across Europe continue to negotiate deals following the opening of the transfer window. Activity at the Etihad Stadium remains closely watched ahead of the new Premier League season. Manchester City have confirmed the departure of Nathan Ake, with the Netherlands international completing a move to Fenerbahçe after 6 seasons at the Etihad Stadium. The defender won multiple major honors during his time in Manchester and thanked the club and supporters in his farewell message. His exit reduces City's senior defensive options and represents one of the club's most significant confirmed outgoing transfers of the summer. Manchester City have also reached an agreement to sign midfielder Elliot Anderson from Nottingham Forest, according to reports and statements circulated while the England international remains involved at the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Reports indicate that the formal completion of the transfer will take place after Anderson returns from international duty. The 23-year-old is expected to strengthen City's midfield options as the club continues its squad rebuild under Enzo Maresca. One of the most discussed youth transfers involving Manchester City is the reported agreement to sign Leicester City winger Jeremy Monga. Reports suggest City moved ahead of Arsenal to secure the highly rated England youth international in a deal that could become one of the largest ever involving a 16-year-old player. Monga became one of the youngest players to appear in the Premier League during his time at Leicester City, and his arrival would continue City's long-term investment in elite academy talent. Manchester City are also continuing to reshape the senior squad through departures. Bernardo Silva has left following the expiry of his contract, while John Stones has also departed after being released. The exits of 2 experienced England and Portugal internationals leave additional space within the squad as City prepare for further recruitment before the transfer window closes on 1 September. The Premier League's official transfer records list both departures among Manchester City's confirmed summer business. Several players have returned to Manchester City following loan spells. Claudio Echeverri, Vitor Reis, Juma, Josh Wilson-Esperand, Issa Kabore, and Jack Grealish are among those back under the club's control after temporary moves elsewhere. Their futures remain subject to decisions by Enzo Maresca and the club's recruitment staff during pre-season, with further loans or permanent transfers remaining possible before the end of the window. Manchester City continue to be linked with further defensive additions. Reports have suggested that Barcelona defender Jules Koundé is among the players attracting interest from several leading European clubs, including City. No agreement has been announced, and the speculation remains at the reporting stage, but the links come as City assess options following defensive departures this summer. The wider picture shows Manchester City entering a period of significant squad transition. Confirmed departures including Nathan Ake, Bernardo Silva, and John Stones have been accompanied by reported moves for Elliot Anderson and Jeremy Monga, while further recruitment remains possible before the transfer deadline. With the Premier League transfer window remaining open until 1 September, Manchester City's activity is expected to continue as preparations for the 2026-27 campaign gather pace.